In the world of foldable smartphones, two heavyweights are making waves: the Oppo Find N6 and the Motorola Razr Fold. Both devices boast cutting-edge technology and unique features that set them apart. Today, we'll compare their camera capabilities, platform performance, display innovations, and additional features to see which one reigns supreme. Are you ready to find out if the Oppo Find N6's impressive 200MP camera can outshine the Motorola Razr Fold's sleek design and functionality? Or will the Razr's iconic style and advanced features steal the spotlight? Let's dive in and explore these titans of the foldable market. Which one do you think will come out on top? When it comes to photography, the Oppo Find N6 takes the lead with its astonishing 200MP main camera, featuring advanced optical image stabilization and a versatile periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. This combination ensures stunning detail and clarity in every shot, making it a photographer's dream. In comparison, the Motorola Razr Fold offers a solid 50MP camera system, but it simply cannot match the sheer power and capabilities of Oppo's flagship. The Find N6 is clearly the choice for those who prioritize camera excellence. For selfies, the Motorola Razr Fold shines with a remarkable 32MP cover camera, ensuring your self-portraits are crisp and vibrant. Meanwhile, the Oppo Find N6 features a 20MP front camera, which, while decent, doesn't quite compete with the Razr's superior selfie capabilities. If capturing the perfect selfie is crucial for you, the Razr Fold is the clear winner here. Under the hood, the Oppo Find N6 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, offering top-tier performance with its octa-core CPU and Adreno 840 GPU. This powerhouse ensures smooth multitasking and gaming experiences. The Motorola Razr Fold, while also equipped with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, falls slightly behind in terms of raw performance. For those seeking the ultimate processing power, the Find N6 takes the crown. Display-wise, the Oppo Find N6 features an impressive 8.12-inch foldable LTPO OLED with a peak brightness of 2500 nits, making it one of the brightest screens on the market. This ensures vibrant colors and excellent visibility in any lighting condition. The Motorola Razr Fold, with its 8.1-inch LTPO OLED display, provides a slightly lower peak brightness of 6200 nits, which is still impressive but doesn't quite match the N6's overall display quality. If display brilliance is what you seek, the Find N6 stands out. In terms of additional features, the Oppo Find N6 offers a unique zero-field Crease Display and Hasselblad master camera system, enhancing both the visual experience and photography capabilities. On the other hand, the Motorola Razr Fold brings its own flair with Flex View tripod functionality and a cover screen camera viewfinder, making it versatile for various shooting scenarios. Both devices offer exciting features, but the N6 innovations give it a slight edge. Both the Oppo Find N6 and the Motorola Razr Fold come equipped with a robust 6000 mAh battery, ensuring you stay powered throughout the day. This parity means that battery life won't be a deciding factor in your choice, as both devices promise longevity and reliability. In this category, it's a tie.